Parenting can be super hard sometimes, but that's why us here at Ready Set Viral are going to be talking about some amazing parenting hacks for you. Let's get into it. Number 1, eating spaghetti with ease. To make the noodles a little bit shorter, just use the top of a cup and press down on the noodles so that all of the long ones will soon be shortened. Number 2, relieving clogged ears. I know as a kid, I always struggled with my ears popping in the car or on a plane. All you need is 2 cups. Place them on their ears and creating that vacuum will actually relieve the pain. Number 3, making eating fun. We all know it's a struggle sometimes to get kids to eat their food. All you need is some colored plates and a block with those colors on each side. Now, get your child to roll the block, and whatever color they hit, they have to eat the food that's on that plate. Number 4, making medicine delicious. Taking medicine is not the best thing for anyone, but to make it a bit more appealing, all you need is a lollipop. Dip it in the liquid medicine and it will ease the disgusting flavor of whatever medicine they need to take. Number 5, making pictures fun. We all know how much some children do not like their picture taken. If they don't want the new clothes that you just bought for them to take pictures in, there's a really fun way to use food and actually make it look like clothes. For example, we used a watermelon and some cauliflower to make it look like a dress and a skirt. Number 6, making drawing even more fun. Sometimes drawing on paper gets a little too boring and children decide to write on walls or floors. An easy way to prevent this is to get some saran wrap and place it on the floor. That way, they'll have the gratification of drawing on something different and none of your floors or walls will get written on. Number 7, edible slime. Slime often looks pretty appetizing, but to make some edible slime, all you need to do is mix up some chia seeds, some water, some food coloring, and once it's all mixed up, place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. Once it's done, it'll come out perfectly slimy, and if your child wants to take a bite, they totally can. Number 8, a DIY racetrack. This is perfect if your child likes playing with toy cars or toy trucks. All you need is some painter's tape and a carpet. You can also do this on your floors if you'd like. Make a racetrack for your child, and once you're done, you can just take it right off and there will be no damage to your carpet or floors. Number 9, broccoli hack. This one's a little weird, but try it out if your child hates broccoli so much they won't even touch it. Get some sprinkles. You can get some low sugar ones if you'd like, and dip the broccoli in the sprinkles. If the broccoli's just washed, it'll perfectly stick. Then, hand it to your child, and the fun colors and appetizing features of the sprinkles will make them want it so much. Anyways, guys, we hope you enjoyed these parenting hacks. If you did, make sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe, and turn your post notifications on so you never miss out on a future video from us. Until we see you guys next time, watch the 2 videos that are on your screen and have a great rest of your day. Bye now!